Have you ever had a thought you wanted to share but didn't want anyone to know it was you? Maybe an opinion people might judge, a confession you've kept to yourself, or something you wish you could say freely without hesitation? That's exactly why I built Thought Vault. Thought Vault is a space where you can express anything anonymously. No usernames, no profiles, no pressure, just pure honest thoughts from people like you. You open the app, write what's on your mind, hit post, and that's it. Your thoughts go into a global feed where others can read, relate, and respond without anyone knowing who said what. It's not social media, it's not for popularity, it's for expression. Thought Vault lets you speak freely, without fear, without judgment. So let me quickly show you how I actually built Thought Vault. The entire app is made in Flutter, which means one code base works on both Android and iOS. For the backend, I used Firebase, mainly authentication, Firestore database, and storage. Here's the structure. Authentication, users don't need accounts, so I used anonymous Auth. Firebase creates a temporary user ID to keep everything clean. Database Firestore. Every post is stored with thought text, timestamp, a random generated ID, and the anonymous user UID. No personal data is stored, ever. UI. The UI is clean. A simple text field, a post button, and a scrollable feed. Flutter makes it easy with widgets like Stream Builder to show live updates from Firestore. Posting system. When someone hits post, it calls a Firestore write function that adds the thought to the collection. The feed updates instantly because Firestore streams changes in real time. None of this requires heavy coding. It's mainly good structuring, clean logic, and connecting Flutter widgets with Firebase, and that's the basic procedure of how Thought Vault was made.
Now let me show you how the app actually works. When you open Thought Vault, this is the home screen. You tap the text area and type whatever is on your mind. No name, no identity, just your thoughts. I'll post something right now. I hit post, and instantly it appears in the global feed. You can see other people's thoughts too, all anonymous. The feed updates in real time, so every new post appears instantly. There's no login, no profile, no followers, just pure expression. And that's Thought Vault, a simple idea built to give people a space to speak freely, without fear and without judgment. If you like my app, then hit the follow button.